Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about helping your repair facility properly diagnose your vehicle. You may say when you drop your vehicle off, hey, I have this weird noise, or I'm having a vibration, or this happens with my vehicle when driving it. What we often recommend to folks at the West Automotive Group is take a couple notes along the way. I mean, if it's something such as just to check engine lights on and hey, I don't have any drivability concerns, that's okay too. But if it's something such as my car does something funny when driving up a hill at 70 miles an hour, or when braking, or other issues going on, there's a noise, there's a vibration, such as could be coming from a tire. Those are items that you need to kind of make a little journal and write down. It helps the facility diagnose your vehicle properly. And we often tell folks, does it happen when it's cold? First thing in the morning only. Does it happen after you've been driving a while? Does it happen when going up a hill? Happen when going down a hill? Does it happen when braking? These are all great questions, and a quality service consultant will often ask these questions to you when you're dropping your vehicle off. They just want to make sure that we pinpoint the problem with your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.